Keep in mind I just did latest update day before. This, how great is the Garmin? Almost 500 bucks navigation. Let's take a look. Pretty known place. That's good. It gives the sound. Okay, let's try. Here we have a bunch of options, of course. Which one we are locating in Illinois, and it's only one. This one, which one is 83 miles away, and it's not 83 miles away. Not neither 14 miles away. I want to just see what it shows. It's slow as hell. And hell no. It should be on the north, not the south. There we go. And Google, iPhone navigation, which one is operated by TomTom. Everybody can find this address just on the phone. Let's see now the office. Right there I'm standing as well. The Google, everything, just the basic phone navigations can find. And what this guy gotta do. And here we go. We have it. Great. 0.9 miles away. And I'm right here. It's like a mile away from me. Where I'm parked, that's the address. That's crazy. I don't know how it's possible to drive over the road with this navigation. I don't know if there is a better ones, but this one is total waste of money. Here it comes, the bridge and weight limit issues. This is a bridge 13.6, and I never made it to mark it as go through. And here is a road 6, which one is legal for trucks, but it tells me to turn to the residential roads, but no straight.